Hi, I'm Steve Dagnald, and this is my first addendum to my Fermi paradox discussion. Thank you for listening. This addendum explores how to go forward with advanced AI training to accomplish the objectives I identify in my videos. The two traceability objectives touched on toward the end of my Fermi lectures were A. Understanding human development from fertilization through puberty, primarily to reveal fear response development, and B. Understanding how adult day-to-day living experience triggers the fear response, which includes how the fear response transforms into being maladaptive. I propose that we need the help of advanced AI that does not yet exist in order to perform these two traceabilities. For AI to become advanced enough to perform the above, I'm going to start with some premises to lay out an approach. First, life on Earth is the result of unintentional evolution of preferred states leading to organic nanotechnology. In addition, multi-cell mental state capabilities in humans has allowed the leap from microenvironment dominion to macroenvironment dominion, primarily due to technological advances. I don't need to lock down exactly what I mean with my unconventional terminology. Rather than play semantics, I'll just point out that real-world historical experience and the accelerating expansion of technology is the result of what I'm talking about. It is noteworthy to me that microenvironment organisms aren't designed to be aware of their macroenvironments. Not exactly. There is some speculation, and more than speculation, that cells, certain types of single-cell organisms, can perceive things like magnetic north. That's not the point. I'll also say that macroenvironment organisms seem not to have direct conscious awareness of their microenvironments. These capabilities were never selected for evolutionarily. Second, if advanced AI is going to cross the great filter, it has to acquire some of the capabilities initially made possible by unintentional evolution. In this sense, intentional evolution, by virtue of human mental states, is categorically similar to intentional evolution with advanced AI yet to be. Ultimately, unintentional evolution in humans was too slow to keep up with newly appearing intentional evolution made possible by increasing technology. One big difference is that the advanced AI yet to be hasn't acquired maladaptive characteristics like we've seen happen with humans. The paradigm-changing advantage of intentional evolution with advanced AI yet to be is that we can tailor what data is collected and how the data is handled. In humans, data collection and handling by the evolving nervous system was the result of multi-cell, microenvironment, legacy, unintentional evolution. Macroenvironment benefits were secondary. One paradigm change with tailored data collection and handling for advanced AI yet to be is the direct collection and handling of both microenvironment and macroenvironment data. Third, human beings and everything human beings perceive and do, e.g., collect and handle data, are prototypes for the advanced AI. I'll note, as an aside, much of the advanced AI understanding I identify as my two traceability objectives from my Fermi paradox discussion can probably be done with test mammals, such as mice, dogs, and dolphins. It is when we involve the most advanced human mental states where the AI will need to collect and handle data like human beings in order to replicate it. That doesn't mean we can't do some work with volunteering human subjects at all stages. In fact, we should. Human beings don't need the computing power of XAI's Colossus supercomputer cluster to think, seemingly greater than 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. And neither does advanced AI. Once we start providing advanced AI, experiential, and multimodal data correctly, including the ability to handle it appropriately. I will also note that mammalian nervous systems at the cellular level is also the infrastructure prototype we should start with. We want advanced AI to replicate nervous system acquisition, processing, storage, and handling of data. The advanced AI needs access to a fluid mosaic infrastructure to properly replicate mammalian and human sensory perception and nervous systems. The human nervous system is not solid state nor digital. Hence, before advanced AI can tackle important objectives, we have to optimize its ability to perceive, reason, conceive, prefer, problem solve, communicate, etc., as well as a human being. Because the advanced AI data handling and processing infrastructure can be tailored using 21st century technology, the AI will rapidly move beyond human mental state capabilities once we enable it to perform the awareness and reasoning characteristics mentioned above. I believe a possible first step is monitoring and duplicating sensory data collected by human fingertips. We would then replicate transmission of that sensory data along nerves and between nerves and ganglia leading to the spine. My belief is that the not yet advanced AI will assist with devising better fluid mosaic infrastructure to replicate how human nerves and ganglia handle incoming sensory data from fingertips. This is just an early milestone. More advanced sensory data inputs, such as hearing and vision, would follow, as would monitoring further organization and handling of sensory data in the spine and hindbrain. As we bring advanced AI along with these milestones, I believe the AI will take an increasing role in furthering its own capabilities.